The preparation drill is performed at the beginning of every PRT session. The preparation drill consists of 10 exercises performed for 5 to 10 repetitions at a slow cadence, with the exception of the high jumper and push-up, which are performed at a moderate cadence. Bend and reach. This exercise develops the ability to squat and reach through the legs.
Squat, attention. The bend and reach. The bend and reach. Start position, move.
From the starting position, ensure the soldiers have their hips set, their abdominals tight, and their arms fully extended overhead.
3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
4,
1, 2, 3.
hold,
Position of attention, move.
Rear lunge. This exercise promotes balance, opens up the hip and trunk on the side of the lunge, and develops leg strength.
The rear lunge.
the rear lunge,
Start position, move. In cadence,
in cadence,
exercise. 1,
Keep the rear leg as straight as possible, but not locked, and the rear heel off the ground.
2, 3,
2,
1, 2, 3,
3,
1, 2, 3,
4,
1, 2, 3.
hold,
Position of attention, move.
High jumper. This exercise reinforces correct jumping and landing, simulates balance and coordination, and develops explosive strength.
The high jumper.
high jumper,
Start position, move.
On count 1, the arms are parallel to the ground.
Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
hold,
Position of attention, move.
Rower. This exercise improves the ability to move in and out of the supine position to a seated posture.
The rower.
the rower,
Start position, move.
It coordinates the action of the trunk and extremities while challenging the abdominal muscles. At the starting position, the low back must not be arched excessively off the ground.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
hold,
Position of attention, move.
Squat bender. This exercise develops strength, endurance, and flexibility of the lower back and lower extremities.
The squat bender.
the squat bender,
Start position, move. In cadence,
On count 3, bend forward, keeping the head aligned with the spine and knees slightly bent. Attempt to keep the back flat and parallel to the ground.
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
hold,
Position of attention, move.
Windmill. This exercise develops the ability to safely bend and rotate the trunk.
The windmill.
the windmill,
Start position, move.
From the starting position, feet are straight ahead, arms parallel to the ground, hips set, and abdominals tight.
1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
hold,
Position of attention, move.
Forward lunge. This exercise promotes balance and develops leg strength.
The forward lunge.
The forward lunge.
Keep the abdominal muscles tight throughout the motion.
In cadence.
In cadence.
Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
halt.
Position of attention, move.
Prone row. This exercise develops strength of the back and shoulders.
The prone row.
The prone row.
Start position, move.
Throughout the exercise, the legs and toes remain in contact with the ground.
In cadence. Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
halt.
Position of attention, move.
Bent leg body twist. This exercise strengthens trunk muscles and promotes control of trunk rotation.
The bent leg body twist.
The bent leg body twist.
Start position, move.
Ensure that the hips and knees maintain 90-degree angles.
In cadence.
In cadence.
Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
halt.
Position of attention, move.
Push-up. This exercise strengthens the muscles of the chest, shoulders, arms, and trunk.
The push-up.
The push-up.
Start position, move.
The hands are directly below the shoulders with fingers spread. Middle fingers point straight ahead.
Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3,
1, 2, 3.
4,
1, 2, 3.
halt.
Position of attention, move.